Welcome, dear friends. Today we are going to know about a girl who inspired whole world. And now we are going to start this inspiring story. Despite being told as a child she would never walk again, she relentlessly pursued her dream, becoming an international track and field star and the fastest woman in the world. Dear friends, today we are going to read about a girl in the childhood who was told that you will never walk in your life. But she thought that I have to walk, I have to run, and I have to become the fastest woman in the world. And she proved herself. So let us start the video. My doctor told me I would never walk again. But my mother told me I would, and I believed my mother. The girl is saying that because of my illness, all the doctors advised me you would never walk again. But my mother and my family members, they said to me, definitely one day you will walk. And I believed my mother, and because of that only I could walk. So let us start. She was born prematurely on June 23, 1940 in USA. This girl was born in USA and she was among one of the 22 children from her father who was having two wives. Constantly, she needed the support and care of her family members because she was not good in health. She survived many polio and scarlet fever attacks. But because of these problems, she was not able to walk and she need to wear a brace on her leg. Together, her parents and her brothers and sister, they started taking care of this girl. They will remove her leg brace and massage her injured leg one by one. It means they motivated her mentally and physically also they started supporting her. At the age of 6, she began to jump on one leg, and when she was of 8 years old, she could move with the help of one leg, removing the leg brace. And at the age of 11, her mother discovered her playing basketball outside. She quickly became a sports person and afterwards she became a natural athlete. She was growing up in southern area and she attended Blackbird High School where she played basketball in her school team. And one day when she was playing basketball, very great famous coach was there. He noticed this girl and said to her that you can be a good runner. And the girl said, sir, if you think I can, then definitely I will take training from you and I will be. And from that day, the girls' training started in Tennessee State University. Her nickname was Sketchier and she was famous for her speed. In 1956 Summer Olympic Games in Melbourne, Australia, she qualified and she became the youngest member of American track and field team. And that time her age was only 16 years. In these games, she won a bronze medal in 400-meter relay. After finishing high school, she enrolled at Tennessee State University where she studied education and she also started training hard for the next Olympics. 4 years later, she moved to the 96th Summer Olympics and it was decided from her side that anyhow I have to win gold medal, and her performance in Rome cemented her as one of the greatest athlete of 20th century. These Olympics were held in Rome, Italy, and were a golden time for her. After tying a world record with her time of 11.3 seconds in the 100-meter semi-finals, she won the event with the wind-added speed of 11.0 seconds in the final. Similarly, she broke the Olympic record in the 200-meter dash 23.2 seconds in the heat before claiming another gold medal with a time of 24.0 seconds. Once again, she headed for the next event, and there also she won gold medal. She won 3 gold medals and broke at least 3 world records. She became the first American woman to win 3 gold medals in track and field at the same Olympic game. Her performance also earned her the title of the fastest woman in the world. Dear friends, a girl whose struggle started from the birth only, and she moved to a great success by earning 3 gold medals in single Olympic, and she proved herself that I can do anything. She is a great inspiration to every one of us, and the name of that girl you all are excited to know, and the name of that girl is Wilma Rudolph. So dear friends, Wilma Rudolph is the girl who won 3 gold medals at the Olympic, and she inspired a lot of people in the world.